Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a new term from the tech world, AI washing. Let's learn about AI washing using the example of Amazon Go Just Walkout system. You have probably heard about the Just Walkout shopping experience from Amazon Go, obviously. What if I told you there is more to the story? Come on, let's rewind a bit. It was in 2018, Amazon introduced a revolutionary way to shop. Grab what you need and just walk out. No lines, no checkout counters. All you needed was an Amazon Go application to enter the store, and their system would automatically bill you for what you took. Amazon claimed that this was all thanks to their advanced AI technologies using computer vision, deep learning algorithms, and sensor fusion. Sounds amazing, right? But here is a twist. Recent reports reveal that instead of relying just on AI, Amazon had around 1,000 workers in India. They were just manually checking nearly three-quarters of the transactions, which means most of the transactions were done manually. You know how Amazon responded to this? They said the reports were erroneous and the staff were simply reviewing the system and not the footage. But, anyways, they also confirmed they were reducing the number of just walkout stores. Whatever the real truth of this may be, this issue brings us to a crucial question. Are companies overinflating their AI capabilities? Just like greenwashing, where companies exaggerate their environmental efforts, AI washing is when companies overstate their use of AI to appear more advanced and capitalize on that hype. So, what exactly is AI washing? It's a marketing tactic where companies claim to use AI more extensively than they actually do. Its goal is to make their product seem cutting edge. But first, just a reminder about what AI is in between. Basically, artificial intelligence or AI is like teaching computers to think and learn like humans. Imagine a very smart robot that can understand things, make decisions, and even learn new skills on its own. It does this by looking at a lot of data, finding patterns, and then using those patterns to solve problems or do tasks. In short, AI is about making machines smart enough to do things that usually require human intelligence. When it comes to AI washing, there are different types. Some companies say they are using AI, but are really using a simpler technology. Others exaggerate how good their AI is or claim their AI solutions are fully working when they are not. Some companies just add an AI chatbot to their existing software without really using AI. Do you know some founders seem to believe that if they don't mention AI in their pitch, this may put them at a disadvantage, regardless of the role it plays in their solution. So, AI washing isn't just misleading, it has real consequences. For businesses, it might overpay for tech that doesn't deliver as promised. And for investors, they might struggle to identify genuinely innovative companies. So, next time you hear about a groundbreaking AI product, take a closer look. Is it truly AI or just AI washing? So, let us know your thoughts on this topic and the real examples you might know in the comments below. And do tell us what other hot topics you want us to dig out. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.